Good morning, friends. This is Sunil Bhatnagar again present before you with an informative video. Friends, some of my subscribers they have asked me to prepare the video in English. So I will use the word Hinglish here because Hindi as well as English I will try to complete that. Because normally I have seen that whenever you are working as a quality assurance head or a quality control investigator or in a company where you are doing third party auditing, you must know the procedures for serving better, not only for the customer point of view, but at the same time for the company where you are working. So whenever you are visiting a mill, so the first process which I normally used to do, that was check the cotton stock. Because this will depict you that whether the company is following the systems or not. Because ultimately the product which he is producing, that depends on the cotton stock. Another is, if the material is running in department, so you should check the running position. Check the running position. That how that particular material is performing in the carding department, in the ring frame, the breakage level, in the winding department, the breakage level. And another is that what is the position of entire material in yarn go down. So from the go down, you randomly select 20 cones. Randomly select 20 cones from 20 cartons. Friends, as you already know that a production normally take 7 to 10 days in order to complete a lot. So the basic object is to randomly select the material right from first day to the last day. So what you have to do, you have to go to the yarn go down, and there you pick up randomly the 20 cartons, and from 20 cartons you select 20 cones, that is one cone per carton. Now in this case, that first you check the material in ultraviolet lamp. Now why it is necessary to go for the visual checkup? Because if there is any contamination, then it is easily available from the ultraviolet lamp. Then after the ultraviolet and visual inspection, take weight and diameter. in order to find the packing density, as well as if the weight is more, weight to weight variation is more, then definitely it is not desirable. So take the weight and diameter of the cones, then gross and net weight of cartons, net weight of carton you have to calculate, because it is a very important exercise, because the cone weight, the carton weight, then the tape weight variation, this will all lead to your invisible losses. So as you have gone there for finding out that whether your material is produced in okay conditions or with a system working, then this is the important exercise. After first the ultraviolet visual inspection, then net weight and the diameter you check, then gross weight and the net weight you normally check. Then these 20 cones, they are checking for the yarn parameters, that is TPI, count, Ooster, RKM, Classimate fault. And for the Classimate fault, you will select the 6 cones randomly from the 20 cones you are having. So what you will do, actually finding out the things, and then you compare your findings with the previously test material of the entire lot. Taken by that particular quality control department of the customer, and then see that whether your quality is okay or not. In case if the testing instrument is not available, then take out the 6 cones from the party for own testing. And if in case of double yarn, for single yarn which is on or outsold, you find out these kind of things, and before leaving the plant, you have to communicate the result to the office as well as with the party. And also, if you are having a mini loom or the knitting machine, then go for the fabric checking report also. So friends, these are some of the things which a person can do for better inspection, better confidence, and for having a win-win situation. So this is all for today. I hope that you will like this particular video. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.